Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. 465 wards reserved for women in Panchayat election. ST gets 107 wards, 223 wards for OBC. Filing of nominations to begin from 23rd April, counting on 17th and 18th. 188 out of 460 mining traders reapply with relevant documents to the Mines Department. Mines Department initiates scrutiny. 172 traders might be exporting ore illegally. All accused in 2006 Kurchade riot case acquitted. Acquittal by Madgaon Fast Track Court. Police failed to identify main instigators in the mob. Former Goa Ranji coach Raghuram Bhatt returns as spinners coach. Former India spinner wants to start a fresh innings, putting behind him the dramatic resignation. And NRB GSA stars fall short of Dempo's tall first innings total. Dempo get 3 points after match ends in draw. GCA stars all out for 132. Sarvodaya in precarious situation at 91 for 6. Now the news in detail. A total of 107 wards have been reserved for scheduled tribes in the Panchayat election. 223 wards have been reserved for backward classes, while 465 wards are reserved for women. The reservation has been done based on rotational policy. Meanwhile, the nomination process will begin on 23rd April and will end on 30th. The counting of the votes will take place on 17th and 18th May at Taluka level.
185 panchayats going for poll have 1,500 wards in total. A total of 795 wards have been reserved for the panchayat elections. Here is the taluka-wise breakup. Pedne Taluka SC 0, OBC 17, Women 27. Bades Taluka SC 0, OBC 63, Women 89. Tiswadi Taluka SC 14, OBC 25, Women 50. Bicholi Taluka SC 7, OBC 22, Women 41. Sattari Taluka SC 4, OBC 6, Women 27. Ponda Taluka SC 20, OBC 33, Women 54. Salshet Taluka SC 18, OBC 14, Women 80. Murmugaon Taluka SC 9, OBC 6, Women 27. Kepe Taluka SC 13, OBC 6, Women 24. Sange Taluka SC 7, OBC 8, Women 16. Kankon Taluka SC 9, OBC 5, Women 18. Dhar Bandora Taluka SC 6, OBC 5, Women 13.
Women, what we have done is that 33% reservation is there, and every year, every election year, it is being rotated. So that is fixed. In respect of ST and OBC, we have actually put a restriction of 50% reservation in OBC and ST wards. So we are, in every panchayat we will not exceed at 50% limit of OBC and ST. And at the same time we have to rotate that. So wherever seats already were reserved for ST and OBC will not be reserved this year because of the rotation policy. And we will restrict them to. And wherever there is more population of ST and OBC, there will be more wards reserved with that restriction of 50%.
Here is the election program schedule. 23rd April nominations, 30th April last date, 1st and 2nd May scrutiny of forms, 3rd May withdrawals, 4th May symbol allotment, 16th May polling, 17th and 18th May counting of votes.
There will be about 6,000 people, government staff, which will be required, keeping in view number of polling booths, etc., etc. And we will require roughly as about 5,000 polling personnel who are from police department.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Only 188 mining traders out of 460 have reapplied with relevant documents to the state's Mines and Geology Department. The last date to file application expired on Monday, 16th April. Mines Department had suspended all the 460 licenses of the traders, initiating a cleanup operation.
The last date to reapplication to the State Mines and Geology Department with the relevant documents expired on 16th April. Only 188 mining traders out of 460 have approached for reapplication to the Mines Department.
ते स्क्रुटिनी चालू झालं नाही फक्त 188 ऍप्लिकेशन्स आर बी सबमिटेड कळेल तुका
ओके
बाकीची डिटेल अजून स्क्रुटिनी चालू जातकीर कळटलें कितें आसा कितें ना तें
ओके आनी बट बाकीचे जाणी सबमीट करून ना तांचेर कितें एक्शन बी कितें
आनी
घेतलें
मागीर गव्हर्मेंटा पुटअप करून डिसिजन घेवचें पडटलें कित्याक गव्हर्मेंट डिसिजना प्रमाणे गेल्ले न्ही ते आमी परत
ओके जाणी जे सबमीट करूना पळय तांकां तुमी इलिगल टर्म करूं शकता
ना ना यू कॅनॉट मेक इट ताणें फक्त सबमीट केला म्हणून ऑन दॅट प्रिटेक्स यू कॅन कॉल इट इलिगल थोडी इलिगलूय आसूं शकता तातूंत पूण सगळें इलिगल म्हणप मागीर चुकीची गोश्ट जातली.
Mines and Geology Department was groping in darkness over the illegal mining activity due to huge number of traders who were given licenses. Justice M.B. Shah Commission and Inquiry Panel had pointed out that the traders were an important loop that needs to be tackled to curb illegal mining activity. Sources also said that several traders were working with fake postal addresses. The state government's initiative to call all the traders had failed as many of them had disappeared. Earlier, Mines Department had suspended all the 460 licenses of the traders, initiating a cleanup operation. The traders were given time of 15 days to revert with the proper documents. The traders were asked to furnish a copy of their contract with the mining lease holders. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Fast Track Court at Madgaon on Tuesday acquitted all the 40 accused in Kurchode riot case for lack of evidence. Police could not pinpoint the actual offenders from the mob. Kurchode riots that took place on March 3, 2006 were one of the worst riots ever witnessed by the state. Riots occurred after demolition of an illegal religious structure at Guremall in Kurchode.
Riots occurred after demolition of an illegal religious place of worship at Guremall in Kurchode, in which there was a huge private and public property loss. 40 accused in Kurchode riots case were acquitted by Fast Track Court Madgaon on Tuesday for lack of evidence. They have been acquitted by the court after proceedings that took 6 long years. Many witnesses in the case turned hostile. Also, it was argued before the court by the defense counsel that police have not traced actual offenders from the mob with a strong evidence and charge-sheeted accused are not the actual offenders. Defense counsel says there were no ground in the case. No clinching evidence. Many witnesses turned hostile. Police have not traced actual offenders from mob. Charge-sheeted accused are not actual offenders. No strong evidence against the accused to prove crime.
रायटान हांकां फसयले कोणा खातीर कित्या खातीर तो रायट जालो तें उलयना तातूंत विटनेस कोण नाशिल्ले एविडन्स कांय नाशिल्ले आनी आमी असो आर्ग्युमेंट मांडलो की विटनेस ना हें ना एविडन्स ना आमकां सुटकारो दिवचो न्हय केसींतल्यान आनी त्या प्रमाणे कोर्टान in the court's wisdom, I'm saying, Baba, tum chala karo.
Public prosecutor says witnesses turned hostile. There were thousands of people in the violent mob. Police could not pinpoint at the actual offenders.
कुडचड्यार 3 मार्च 2006 5 वर्सां फाटीं जी दंगल जाल्ली आनी ते दंगलींतली जे आरोपी जे आसले तेंचे जी केस हांगा सत्र न्यायालयाक जी दाखल केल्ली ते केसीचो आज निकाल जालो आनी सगळे आरोपीची सगळे 24 आरोपी आसले ते केसीक आनी चडशे सगळे स्थानीक लोक हे 40 जाणांच्या आज सत्र न्यायालयान अतिरिक्त सत्र न्यायालयान पुराव्या अभावी पुरावो नाशिल्ले कारणान सगळ्यांची निर्दोश सुटका केली. कोर्टाक जो पुरावो जो समोर सादर केलो त्या प्रमाणे जे आरोपी जे आसले हितून ते हजारांचो जमाव आसलो त्या वेळार म्हणजे जे भितर आयडेंटिफिकेशन म्हणजे करेक्ट वळख जालें ना कोणी अमकी काम कोणी केलें कोणी जाळपोळ केली कोणी दगडफेक केली हें सारकें एक्झॅक्ट पुरावो कोर्टा मुखार येवपाक शकलो ना. तशेंच कांय साक्षीदार जे पळय जे आसा तेणी मागीर आतां 6 वर्सां जाल्ले कारणान 5-6 वर्सां जाल्ले कारणान तेंचे मदले संबंदूय अमिकेबल जाल्ले कारणान कोर्टाक सत्य सांगपाचें टाळ्ळें.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dice.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.